Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's crack any exam. In this video, I will discuss about today's current affairs. Let's start. Chennai-Mysore Chennai Shatabdi Express is the first train of Southern Railway to receive IMS certification. IMS means Integrated Management Systems. Why IMS certification will be given? IMS certification is given for world-class maintenance of train, environment-friendly resources, and convenient and safe travel of the passengers. One more important point is to keep in mind is first train to receive this IMS certification is Habibganj, Hazrat Nizamuddin Habibganj Bhopal Express. This may ask in NTPC CBT2 exam, so keep it in mind. Habibganj, Hazrat Nizamuddin Habibganj Bhopal Express. If you know about Hazrat Nizamuddin, you will simply remind it in mind. Okay. Microsoft became the world's most valuable company by market capitalization, and it surpassed Apple. Microsoft capital is $2.49 trillion, whereas Apple capital is $2.46 trillion. Next. Union Minister Amit Shah launches the Dairy Sahakar scheme. Dairy Sahakar scheme is implemented by NCDC. Here you can see in the pic NCDC. NCDC means National Cooperative Development Corporation, which is under Ministry of Cooperation. Let's discuss about this scheme. This scheme mainly focuses on three themes. First one is to strengthen dairy sector in India. Second is to double the income of farmer. Third is to realize the vision of from cooperation to prosperity. For suppose if you do teamwork and cooperate with each other, then you will get success. In the same way, here vision is to from cooperation to prosperity. Hope you understand. Okay. Rashtriya Ekata Divas or National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October. This day is to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of independent India. He is also remembered as patron saint of India's civil servants, as he established the modern All India services system. Here you have to remind 2 points. One is he is the Deputy PM and Home Minister, and the second is he is famous as patron saint of India's civil servants. Okay. Next. India's first manned ocean mission called Samudrayan project at Chennai launch. Okay. The aim of this mission is to carry out subsea activities and to explore resources located at the depth. One more important point is that the deep water manned submersible is named as Matsya 6000. Here submersible means a watercraft designed to operate under water, which is similar to aircraft. We call it aircraft which moves in the air. In the same way, watercraft which is operated under the water. Next. Apple Festival is celebrated in Jammu and Kashmir. It is the first time Apple Festival is organized there. Here you can see in the picture, it was inaugurated by Agriculture Minister, that is Narendra Singh Tomar, and Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.